Hello everyone, welcome back again with me on third Koniago channel. Today in this video I will show you basic Solidworks tutorial, and today I will show you how to use cut feature. But before we start, let's take a look this first. Hello everyone, if you're interested to make a machine like this for your own project, this digital product is suitable for you. Just go to third Koniago bio, click this and click the next link. You can buy a machine concept or 3D part standard or ebook. So what are you waiting for? Buy it now. First, we will learn extrude cut. Go to this face, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, click this edge and this circle like this 10-50mm. Click this edge and this circle like this 10-50mm. Make this circle diameter is 30. And now go to feature, active extrude cut. Now you have 3 parameters: direction 1, direction 2, and think feature. In direction 2, you can cut another surface like this, but we don't use it. In thin feature, you can do like this. You can cut around the circle. Okay? See? Go to extrude cut again. Sorry. Delete this feature and active extrude cut again. And now in direction 1, you can choose blind, through all bolt, through all, cut all, face like this, through all bolt, cut all face like this. You can choose up to next the face. You can choose to vertex like this point. See? And you can choose up to surface. You can click this face. See? You can cut this, and you can choose offset from surface like this. Maybe you can choose up to body or mid plan like this, but I choose through all and okay. See? And now go to swept cut. Go to right plane, make a circle like this, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 20mm and click OK. Sorry, before that, go to this face and active spline. Click this, and this. This is sketch. Go to sketch 4. Click this point and this point. Make curves like this. See? And now active swept cut. Click this circle and this spline. See? And click OK. See? The circle follows the spline and make a curve like this. And now we go to Revolved cut. Go to right plane, active center line, click this point to this point, active rectangle, click from this point to this point, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, click this edge and this line, make this 10 2mm, and click this line, make this 10 5mm. Next, the line length is 5mm. Click this line and this line, make equal. Click this line and this line, make equal. This smart dimension, click this edge and this line, make this 10 2mm. And now go to feature, active revolve cut. See? You can make 118. See? Or 360. And click OK. See? Now you make a flat area like this. Now we go to Lofted cut. Go to this face, active center rectangle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make this line length is 50mm and line length is 55mm, and click OK. This is sketch. And now go to this face, click circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 40mm and click OK. And now this is sketch. Now you have to sketch. Now active Lofted cut, click this sketch and this sketch. See? You can do like this. See? See? And click OK. Now part follow the sketch like this. We can choose section view. See? Okay. See? Now we go to boundary cut. Same with Lofted cut. Go to this face, active center rectangle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make this line length is 50mm and this line length is 55mm, and OK. This is sketch. Go to this face, active circle, click from this point to this point, active smart dimension, make the circle diameter is 40mm, and this is sketch. Now active boundary cut, click this sketch, click this sketch and this sketch, see? Now you can do like this. See? Or you can make like this. Delete this feature. Go to right plane, active spline, click from this point to this point, like this. You can do like this, and exit sketch. Now active boundary cut again. Click this, click this sketch and this sketch. Now go to direction 2, click this sketch. See, the preview cut follows the curve, and OK. See, let's see the cut. Active section view. And click OK. See, I think that is the end tutorial. I hope you like and can learn Solidworks is my video tutorial. Thanks for watching. See ya.